Hello and welcome back to Madico U. Today is lesson 3 in our solar control film training. It's design guide review. On the back page of our design guides, we list the properties that we've reviewed in the prior 2 trainings. We can start with the visible light. We list the amount of light that is transmitted, reflected off of both the interior and the exterior surfaces of the glass. And from the visible light, we can calculate the glare reduction. Next is the total solar energy. Here we list the amount of transmitted, reflected, and in an important part, the total amount absorbed. Absorption is important to consider as too much can lead to heating of the glass and potentially glass breakage. Next are the measures for heat transfer. The shading coefficient, the solar heat gain coefficient, and the U factor. Also listed here are some values that customers find important. The UV rejection, emissivity, light to solar heat gain, total solar energy rejected, IR rejection, and the IR energy rejection. Lastly, on the bottom, we list the NFRC ratings our films have. These are rated on 6 predefined windows for our solar heat gain coefficient, visible light transmitted, and the U factor. I'd also like to point out, Madico right now is upgrading all of our design guides to include a QR code that links to our 3-part specifications. These are used by architects and engineers to specify products. The NFRC started certifying window films in 2006. This was a major step in bringing credibility to the window film industry and also allowing window films to be compared directly to glass. The NFRC is used by homeowners, rebate programs, utility companies, governments, architects, and building engineers. Anybody can go to the NFRC's website and look up specifications on a certified product. This is useful if the user needs to find a product that meets a particular spec or a code requirement, or if they just want to learn more about the product's performance. The NFRC is an unbiased third party that provides a level basis of comparison for all certified products. Consumers can have faith that the ratings are accurate and true. Some jobs and rebate programs may require a certified product. To the right is an example of the NFRC label that shows the prescribed window values. The NFRC specs are different than what we've seen in the past. Madico design guides list both the NFRC specs and the center of glass window specs. The NFRC specifications are for the entire window unit. This includes the frame. There are 6 different glass types, and the specs are listed for each. They all use the same frame. There's 2 residential and 4 commercial ratings. Center of glass specs are just the film on the glass. They are a baseline of what to expect. The actual specs will change, sometimes drastically, for the customer's specific application. An important note is the center of glass specifications are a 1/4 inch clear glass, while the NFRC's whole window specifications have some on 1/8 inch thick glass for the residential and some on 1/4 inch thick glass for the commercial. I'm Jesse Manship, Technical Service Engineer with Madico. I can be reached at jmanship@madico.com. Also on is Jay Larkin, our Business Development Manager. You can be reached at jlarkin@madico.com.